Maverick Vinales took pole position in a thrilling qualifying session, where Marc Marquez crashed and an injured Valentino Rossi snatched a front row spot. Australian Jack Miller missed out on Q2 by only thousandths and starts P13. Live stream the Aragon Motogp on Fox Sports. Get your free 2-week Foxtel Now trial and start watching in minutes. Sign up now. The Motogp race gets underway at 1000 p.m. Est, following the Moto2 race 820 p.m. and the Moto3 race 700 p.m. Tune into Fox Sports 506 from 4:30 p.m. Est for our comprehensive race day coverage with Chris Stubbs, Kevin McGee and Chris Vermeulen. Head to Fox Sports Motogp Race Center for live video streams and live timing, or follow all the action with our live blog below. If you can't see the live blog below, please click here at the latest sports news in your inbox daily.